very modern collaboration platform, which was completely on the cloud, but also was truly global in nature.
Google Workspace has the advantage, or has provided the advantage for HCL software to combine both an improved security posture with an improved user experience and functionality capability. Typically, security and productivity are at odds with each other. Google Workspace is really providing an environment where we have found that those two can actually coexist.
For dealing with change, the leadership approach, which I've always learned around inspiration from working with some amazing leader, is the whole concept of collective wisdom. So if you use collective wisdom, you really carry people along.
As human beings, change is not an easy task. I feel that most people are creatures of habit, and so there's three really important aspects for me when introducing any type of change, especially at an organizational level, and that's really kind of the three C's, right? So make sure that you communicate, collaborate, and commit.
Gemini for Google Workspace, we were one of the early adopters even when it was just starting to be beta. I personally use a lot of the transcribing and summarization capability. Absolutely good.
Personally, my favorite piece is the email writing component, helping me adjust the tone and shortening communications and emails. I think is extremely valuable for me, especially since I have a tendency to get long-winded in my wording. So it really helps kind of navigate some of my own writing challenges, if you will.